more. But before this, we have a lot of retail stores where the concept nito is basically, so we're kind of merging both worlds. Basically, ang feature namin is premium devices, not just accessories. Wide range of yung mga high-end. Large format siya usually, more than 100 square meters. Very experiential na setup, maraming demo, customers can try, yung gano'n. Tapos, yun nga, supplanted with mga the best accessories of the market. So yeah, we're excited with our first branch in Cebu.